Hello everyone, today we are going to see Classified Listing Toolkit tutorial, Divi theme, listing archive and listing details page. For this, go to the appearance and activate the Divi theme. Then go to the Classified Listing plugin. The Classified Listing plugin is a popular solution with more than 10,000 active installs. To create the listing archive page and a single page with Divi theme, you will need to purchase the Elementor Builder, Archive and Single Page Builder for Elementor, Divi and Gutenberg. Then return to the dashboard and go to the plugin. Here you will need to install the Classified Listing and Classified Listing Toolkits plugins, which are absolutely free. Click on Add New Plugin to upload plugin. For choosing file, select the exact zip file of it. Now install and activate Classified Listing Divi Addon. After that, click on Activate Now, and here it is. For the first step, we will now build the listing archive page. For this, go to the Divi and then Theme Builder. This is the interface of it. Click on the plus icon to start from the scratch. So select Build New Template. From these all options, find the Classified Listing and select Classified Listing Archive page. Then click on Create Template. After that, click on Save Changes. According to the Classified Listing Archive page, click on Build Custom Body. And this is the Classified Listings Archive page body layout for starting our customization. So click on this plus icon and instantly you will get some several modules. Find Classified Archive Modules and click on it. Now click on a Classified Page Header and this is the interface of it. And from here you can do your customization. For your heading, you can select and choose the title HTML tag as heading 1, 2, 3 or what you want. Now go to the design, click on breadcrumb. From here you can set and change your text alignment and also can set your font size, weight and style. You can see your changes here. Furthermore, if you want, you can also change your text color from this color picker along with the text size. Now save your changes. In the next, click on this plus icon, select two rows structure from this option. And among of these modules, find Classified Archive Modules and click on it. After that, click on Listing Ajax Filter. And then you will get some general settings options like your keyword, category, location, price range. For the section title customization, you can set your title from here, like Search Filter. Here it is. Then move to the design. From here, you can customize text, sizing, spacing, background, etc. After that, go to your right side and click on this plus icon. Find Classified Archive Modules and click on it. Then click on Classified Archive Listing. This is the interface of it, and from here you will get some several settings like default view, grid or list as per your requirements. For the grid style, you will get some several style options. Choose any one of it. For the grid column number, you can select the number, how many posts you want to display. And after that, you can also change and customize the visibility as result count, catalog ordering, view switcher, pagination, show title, etc. You can select from these fields according to your needs what you want to show or hide in your page. Also, you can show or hide the title or the image or the short description for your post. You can also set your limit for your short description content. I am just showing you how it looks when these fields are enabled and again how it looks when they are disabled. Thus, you can try each fields one by one so that you can decide which fields you can keep for your post in the archive listing page. One more thing, if you turn off the pagination fields, it will not display any page number further. Here, this is the difference. While done, let's go to the design. From here, you can set and change your text color from this color picker along with text alignment and the font style. Not only that, you can also resize your text size, letter spacing, or the line height. There are also several customization options like meta, price, price unit, etc. In every case, you will get the convenience of almost the same customization options like text color, text alignment, font size, text size, along with letter spacing and line height. For each section, similar process are applicable for your next customization. While done, click on this to save. While done, click on this to save all of your customization. Now let's go to the page to visit our customization what we have made so far. This is by default page design. After reloading, this is our customized archive page. You will get here your post into the category wise or the location wise. Now in the step 2, we will build the listing details page. For this, go to the Divi and Theme Builder. Again, we will work from the scratch. So select Build New Template. Find Classified Listings. Click on All Classified Listings. Then click on Create Template and select Build Custom Body. This is the interface of it. Click on this plus icon. Select the structure of 2 rows. As previous, you'll get several new modules. From here, find Classify Single Page Modules and click on it. Then click on Listing Image. From these several listing new modules, you can explore one by one. From here, you can customize your image by enabling or disabling these fields options. Next, click on this plus icon and select Classify Single Page Modules again and click on Listing Title. From here, you can set and change your HTML tag like heading 1, 2, 3 or etc. Let's go to the design next. From here, you can change and customize your title color from this color picker. Not only that, you can change your font and font weight, font style, text size, etc. Again, like before, you will get some another options to customize like text and set your text alignment. For the next, click on again plus icon and select Classified Single Page Details, Classified Single Page Modules, and then click on Listing Meta. You can change and customize this from here. From here, you can select and choose you want to show or hide, like show types. If you disable this, it will look like that. If you disable the date, it will look like this. Similar customization for location. And then select your display into inline or block. Then go to the design. From here, you can change your meta color and gap between meta items. and also the gap between meta icon with content. For your font, you can choose from here. You can also change your font weight, font style, text alignment, and text color. After that, click again on the plus icon, select Classify Single Page Modules, and then click on Listing Price. This is your listing price, and if you want, you can show or hide your price unit and customize the divider after price. For your price color customization, go to the design and choose any color for your price. Here, this is the difference after selecting another color. Along with, you can change your font weight, font style, text size, letter spacing, line height, etc. If you want, you can also customize your divider after price color. Select and save it. Same process for your price unit. Price type, etc. Now, again click on plus icon and click on Classify Single Page Modules. Then find Listing Description and click on it. If you want, you can use drop cap, or if you don't want, you can just enable this. Let's go to the design. For your description customization, you can change your color, your font, text size, letter spacing, etc. Now save it. Now again click on plus icon to select Classified Listing Single Page Module. Find Listing Action and Social Share. From here, you can enable or disable these field options to display or hide. After that, click on this to save. In the next, click again on the plus icon and select Classify Single Page Modules. Find a listing map and click on it. Here you can show or hide the text label. Now go to the design. From here you can customize your text alignment and then save your changes. After listing map, again click on plus icon, select Classified Listing Page Modules and find Listing Business Hour. From here you can customize your date format, open status, status text for open and closed. Again click on plus icon, find related listing and click on it. From here you can customize listing per page, which means how many listings you want to show in the single page. While done, click on this to save. Now click on this plus icon, go to the right part, select Classified Listing Single Page Modules and find Listing Selling Information. From here you can show or hide your author, your location, contact number, and etc. Now save it. Well done all of your customization. Finally click on this to save all of your modification. Now let's visit the page to see this. Here it is. In this single listing page you can see product description, location, your business hour, related selling information, etc. But if you think you want to show more listings in one page, then you can customize it again. So you need to back to your related listing settings and customize your listing per page from here. Then save your changes. Now let's see how our changes look like. Now click on all listings and here it is. If you further think to change and customize your description, then again go back to your listing description settings, go to the design and change your font weight according to your preference. After that, save it. Now let's visit our description customization. Here it is. Thus, you can create listing archive and listing details page for your Divi theme by the classified listing plugin. Thank you for watching.